You're fired! Do you want some cold water to put down the fire? If you are afraid of getting fired, or if you're planning to fire someone, then find out in this lesson with me that what it means to fire someone. Stay tuned with me, Michelle, to learn more. We are following a very interesting conversation between Johnny and his boss. So, off late, Johnny has been acting a bit notorious at work. And what do you think could be the consequences for that? Let's find out. So, this is between Johnny and his boss. Boss. Hi, Johnny. I've been wanting to talk to you for a time. Yes, I know that, but you look a bit preoccupied. Yes, actually, I am. And this conversation is going to be a bit harsh on you and might even have a direct impact on your employment. Let me not beat around the bush. So, it's good if I come out with it. To be honest, we are going to fire you. What? Fire me? Just like that? How can you do it? I must tell you, you've been a terrible employee. You've been called in sick 8 times this week, and also you haven't turned up and you informed us so late. We might even offer you a severance package. I resent it. I just can't believe you can call me out like this. Pause. So you saw this conversation between Johnny and his boss, and they used some interesting idioms which are here on the board. Some of them are idioms and the other are phrases. We are going to find out what these idioms mean through this conversation. So, Johnny asked his boss that you look a bit preoccupied. He told his boss that you look a bit preoccupied. That means his boss has been thinking about something. He's been worried thinking about something. What do you think that is? What that his boss is thinking about? Of course, he's been thinking about firing Johnny, that is to dismiss him. So, to be preoccupied means to worry about something. Okay. And the boss told Johnny that this could have a direct impact on your employment, which means it could affect you directly. To affect directly. So, affecting directly in this phrase means that Johnny could lose his job, which is so sad. It will directly affect his employment. So the boss said, I'm not going to beat around the bush anymore. What does it mean to beat around the bush? It means to talk about useless things and not come to the point. So maybe Johnny's boss could have said other things like, Johnny, I'm very sorry to inform you, but I have observed over this week that you've not been coming in regularly. But he didn't do that. He told him clearly, to be honest, you're a terrible employee. So that means to come to the point. To come to the point. Let's look at the next one. To come out with it. He said, I won't beat around the bush anymore and I'm gonna come out with it. Means I'm going to share it with you. So if you've not shared something with your friend and you're waiting to share it, you could start the conversation with, I'm going to come out with this now because I've held it back too long. To share something instantly. Let's look at the next phrase. To let someone go. Johnny's boss told him that we'll have to let you go. What does it mean to let you go? It means same as we'll have to fire you, but it's a more polite and subtle way. So if you're looking forward to fire someone, please don't tell them you're fired. That's really rude, like Johnny's boss. You'd rather want to say, we'd have to let you go. So that means that politely you're telling them that we will not be able to employ you in our company any longer. To fire someone. So I'm sure now you know what is the meaning for being fired. Let's look at this next phrase, to be honest. Well, that's a conversation filler, and you can use it often in your everyday conversations. If you're trying to be honest, and even if you're not trying to be honest and you just want to start a conversation, you could say to be honest. It's usually used for your personal feelings and experiences. So if you're trying to share your feelings with someone, if someone has hurt you and you want to tell them that you've been really hurt, you could say, to be honest, the other day when you spoke to me so rudely, I was really hurt. So to share your feelings. Resent. Johnny told his boss that I resent it. What does it mean to resent something? Resent means he hates it and he feels sad about it. He's really hurt and he's feeling very insulted that he's been fired by his boss. So I resent it means I feel insulted. If you have done something that has made you feel very guilty, maybe if you've committed a mistake and you find yourself guilty and caught, the best thing to say at that time, rather than saying I'm sorry, you could just say I resent it. That sounds even more sorry. To feel insulted. So the next phrase that we have is to call in sick. This means that you call at work and inform that you're not well, and that's why you will not be able to join work for that day. And this is exactly what Johnny did 8 times a month. And because of that, his boss had great trouble. And if you've been calling in sick too often at work, you have a high possibility to get fired. Because when you call in sick, your organization would not have the time to find a replacement for you for the number of days that you're not available. So please avoid calling in sick and be regular at work. And if at all you need a leave, then apply for it at least 15 days prior. So this means to call and inform that you're sick. The only leverage and the only bait that Johnny had for leaving the organization was that his boss was offering him a severance package. What does it sound like? So sometimes your organizations are really nice to you when they fire you and they offer you some money for firing you. Yes, if you're really running out of money, then maybe you just want to get fired so that you can get some money, if not salary. You'll be very lucky if you actually get a severance package, which means some money when you're fired suddenly. Money when you're fired. To get money when you're fired. Hi Johnny, I've been wanting to talk to you for a time. Yes, I know that, but you look a bit preoccupied. Yes, actually I am. And this conversation is going to be a bit harsh on you and might even have a direct impact on your employment. Let me not beat around the bush. So, it's good if I come out with it. To be honest, we are going to fire you. What? Fire me? Just like that? How can you do it? I must tell you, you've been a terrible employee. You've been called in sick 8 times this week, and also you haven't turned up and you informed us so late. We might even offer you a severance package. I resent it. I just can't believe you can call me out like this. So this is the end of the lesson, and you have learned how you can fire someone, or maybe how you should react if you are fired. I hope this lesson was really useful for you. Please use these idioms in your everyday conversations to learn more. Come back for more lessons with me. This is Michelle signing off. Bye-bye.